To create a stunning small outdoor garden, start by embracing the natural charm of your limited space. Whether it's a compact backyard, a cozy patio, or a tiny balcony, transforming your small outdoor area into a haven of beauty and tranquility begins with thoughtful decor choices. First, let's talk about the power of vertical space. In small outdoor gardens, utilizing every inch is crucial. Consider adding vertical planters, hanging pots, or even a trellis covered with climbing plants. These elements draw the eye upward, making your space feel larger and more dynamic. Opt for plants like ivy, jasmine, or clematis, which can grow vertically and create a lush green wall. Vertical gardens not only save space but also add a layer of privacy, perfect for urban settings where neighbors are close by. Next, incorporate multifunctional furniture. In a small garden, every piece should serve more than one purpose. Think of a bench with storage underneath or a foldable table that can be tucked away when not in use. Consider garden stools that double as side tables or extra seating. This approach keeps your garden clutter-free and ensures that each item enhances the overall aesthetic. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your outdoor space. String lights are a popular choice for small gardens, as they create a warm, inviting atmosphere without taking up any space. Drape them across fences, railings, or above your seating area to create a cozy, magical vibe. Solar-powered lanterns and pathway lights are also great for adding ambience while being eco-friendly. Consider placing candles or small lanterns on tables or along pathways to add a touch of romance. Add pops of color with cushions, throws, or small potted plants. Bright, bold flowers can also draw attention to specific areas, making your garden feel lively and vibrant. Think about plants like marigolds, petunias, or geraniums that offer a burst of color. Another tip is to create distinct zones within your garden. Even in a small space, you can designate areas for different activities. Use planters or garden screens to divide the space into a dining area, a reading nook, or a place for growing herbs. This zoning makes your garden feel more organized and functional, allowing you to enjoy various activities without feeling cramped. For added comfort, choose cushions and pillows made from weather-resistant fabrics that can withstand the elements while adding a splash of color and pattern. Container gardening is a must for small outdoor spaces. It allows you to grow a variety of plants without taking up too much room. Choose containers of different sizes and shapes to create visual interest. You can even use unconventional items like old buckets, wooden crates, or tin cans as planters for a quirky, personalized touch. When selecting plants, think about a mix of flowers, herbs, and even small shrubs that thrive in pots. Consider adding a few trailing plants like creeping jenny or sweet potato vine to soften the edges of your containers and add a cascading effect. Speaking of greenery, incorporating a variety of textures can make your small garden feel more lush and layered. Mix large-leaved plants with fine, delicate foliage